Have you ever noticed something strange about football? Millions of people scream, cry, celebrate, and even fight over a game that lasts just 90 minutes? But why? Why does football make people feel emotions stronger than real life sometimes? Why can one goal change someone's entire mood for the whole day? Stay with me until the end, because the psychology behind football is deeper than most people realize. For some people, football is not just entertainment, it's escape. After stressful jobs, family pressure, loneliness, or failure, football becomes the one place where emotions finally feel alive again. For 90 minutes, problems disappear. The mind focuses only on the match, the crowd, the tension, and hope. Psychologists say the human brain naturally craves belonging, and football gives people a tribe. When fans wear the same jersey, chant together, and celebrate together, the brain releases emotional chemicals that create connection and unity. That's why strangers suddenly feel like family inside a stadium. Then there's another side of football: the obsession. Some fans become emotionally dependent on their team's success. If the club wins, they feel powerful. If the club loses, they feel personally hurt. Because deep inside, people often attach their identity to something bigger than themselves. For many, football becomes that identity. And finally, there's the most beautiful part about football: hope. No matter how weak a team is, fans still believe maybe this season will be different. And psychology says hope is one of the strongest emotional forces in the human mind. It keeps people emotionally alive, even after disappointment. That's why football is more than just a sport. It's emotion, it's belonging, it's pain, it's hope. And maybe that's the real reason billions of people around the world can never stop watching football. Because sometimes people are not just supporting a team, they are searching for a feeling.